Hi, I'm John Haynes.
And I'm Missy Huff. We're Haynes Huff Properties. Today, we're at...
Where are we at?
We're at well number 5, or the artesian well at 164th and Lynnwood.
And did you know that this well is over 400 feet deep and it flows at 10 gallons per minute?
The Lynnwood Water District maintains this area so that residents can come and get water from this well before it's treated. So come on over, we'll take a look at our newest listing right up the road. Hey John, do you know why the city of Lynnwood is named Lynnwood?
Because it has a lot of woods?
Well, it does have a lot of woods, but actually, in 1946, Carl O'Brien developed the area that we now think of as like 196 and Highway 99, and he named it after his wife, Lynn.
That was going to be my second guess.
Hence the name Lynnwood. So that same year, though, they got a post office.
Exciting.
And then the city of Lynnwood was incorporated in 1958.
No kidding.
Yeah. Hey, look, let's go check out this new house.
Wow, that's some really good tap water.
As a matter of fact, it won an award in 2018 for the best tasting tap water in the country.
I can see why. So if you're looking for a home with delicious tap water,
Or any home in the Puget Sound area, give us a call.